Hey, this is Big Mike with Classic of Texoma.
Hey, it's Brian Hanna with Classic of Texoma.
At Classic of Texoma, we always talk about relax and enjoy the difference. Today, we're going to show you exactly what that means by car buying valet.
Mike, tell us a little bit more about Classic Valet and how that works.
Classic Valet, what it does, it allows the customers to take the driver's seat, so to speak, and be able to run their whole process in the car buying experience, whether you want to do it all online or part of it, or come in and allow us to help you finish the process.
That sounds great. However, I'm sure all customers are wondering how that works.
It's real simple. Today we're going to show you step-by-step process of how this works to make it simple for you at home while you're on your laptops, phone, or computers.
Hey Mike, let's start with going to ClassicTexoma.com.
All right.
Search pre-owned. What do you think we should search for?
How about a Jeep Wrangler? Sounds good.
Let's do it.
Start on the tab where it says new or used.
Scroll down to Jeep, refine search, and let's choose Wrangler Unlimited. Shows we have 6 in inventory. All right.
What color you like today?
Let's go with the 2019 black Wrangler Unlimited.
All right.
There we go.
Classic Valet allows you 3 options when choosing your vehicle. You can look at payments, value your trade-in, or you can do a free credit check.
The great thing about that is it's a soft credit pool, meaning it does not ding your credit.
When you're ready to see your score, click on the tab, fill in all your personal information, and then click See My Score.
And the great thing about that is it'll actually populate an estimated payment range based upon your soft pull on your credit.
Once your graph pops up, it shows you where your credit range is. Next step is to see my payments.
On this step, you can play around with how long you'd like to finance your vehicle, as well as input the amount of cash down you'd like as well. And in the event of new cars, then you have the leasing option also.
Next step is if you have a trade-in. If you have a trade-in, simply click on the button. You're going to add your vehicle information, mileage, and then whether or not you have the title or if you have a loan still against the vehicle. One of the unique features about this system is it actually tracks how much time you're saving in the process while you're either searching or buying for a vehicle. Anytime you have to go away, step away from your computer, just come back, your information saved in the system. Once you've added your trade-in, you can include additional products,
such as adding gap coverage, and then just click Summary.
Once you get to the summary page, it shows the price of your vehicle, tax, title, everything's included on that, shows you your money down and what your monthly payments are estimated to be. It's really that simple.
Also, if you happen to leave the web page, it will send you an email that'll give you an option to start where you left off and give you a summary of what you've completed so far.
And at any point in time, you literally have any of us to fall back on to help you through this process.
Our job here is to make your sales experience the best as possible.
And that's why we say relax and enjoy the difference.